This one was never mentioned before, but you can earn up to 700 doing nothing. With these apps that I am about to show you, this is now one of the simplest ways to make money online. So how can you do it? This is how to earn $700 by doing nothing. This is one of the best ways to make money online. It is super simple and easy, but you have to set it up right and you can start making $700 by doing absolutely nothing. I will show you 3 apps in this video. First 2 will pay you to just install it, and all of them will help you get passive income every month for free. Make sure to keep watching because I will show you how to do it. You don't need any prior experience to get started with this. This method is completely free, which means that you don't need to invest any money in the beginning. Also, this method is available worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you are from. You will be able to make money with this method. All you need is your smartphone or your computer to start earning money every day with this method. Now, before we start with the video, welcome to X Finance, where we teach you how to make money every week. If you get some value out of this video, make sure to leave a like on it and consider subscribing to my channel with the notification bell on. In that way you will always be notified when I upload a new money-making method, and you can be first to use it and of course make the most money. And don't forget that I will give you a special bonus at the end of this video, which will allow you to double or even triple your income from these apps. So make sure to watch this video until the end to not miss any of my tips and bonuses in this video. Now let's start with the method. Step number 1 is to make sure that you have a PayPal account, because you will need it to receive your payments from these apps. If you don't have a PayPal account, you need to go to their website, and I will show you how to create an absolutely free account. You don't need to struggle on the internet to find the websites that you need, because I have left you all the links that you will need in this video down below in the description. So work smarter and feel free to click on the links from the description to create a free PayPal account. Here on the PayPal website, you need to go to the blue sign up button. It will then take you to this page where you need to choose if you want, so you can concentrate on the last application from this video, which will allow you to earn $700 for free. So make sure to stay with me until the end of this video to not miss this huge opportunity. Now let's make some money. Step number 2 is to go to Money SMS. This is the first site that we will use in this video, and this is their official website, and as you can see, we will install the app simply on a smartphone device. So how does this work? This is the free app that will allow you to make money online automatically, simply by receiving SMS generated by the system from this website and their customers. You just need to go to your smartphone device and to download this app on your smartphone device, and you will start receiving random messages that will come from random phone numbers. You don't need to reply to those messages. You don't even need to read them. You can delete them as soon as you see them, because there is no value in those messages, and they will most of the time include some random text without any meaning. But the most important thing is that you will get paid for those messages. So there is no actual work required to earn money with this application. You just need to install the application, sign up for it, and you will start receiving new fresh messages every day, and you will be paid for it. This is a great app that will pay you for doing nothing, but keep an eye on the last app in this video, because it will be available on both iOS and Android, not like this one that is unfortunately only available on Android. If you have an iPhone, you will not be able to make any money with this application, because it is only available on Android phones, because only Android allows third-party apps to send and receive messages. So if you have an Android, all you need to do is to download this app from Google's Play Store or from their official website. After that, you will need to sign up for an absolutely free account here, and you will start receiving random SMS that will allow you to earn money with this application. Now, if you like, comment and subscribe the video of this channel and send this video to 50 people along with it, then you can be the lucky winner of this video, which will get $10 from my side.
Sure to leave a like on this video. And to subscribe to the channel with a notification bell turned on so you don't miss any of our future money making methods. Thank you for watching.